Hello everyone and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be doing a ticket. How to write a shell script to deploy applications, which is part of file management. First up, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be touch deploy.sh. And inside, we're first going to type all these groups of commands below in a Sublime Text or Word document. Then we're going to make directory, echo, deployment, exclamation mark, app.sh, shell mode, u plus x, app.sh, sudo cho own, ec2-user, app.sh, cp hello.sh, app.app, cp app.sh, app, echo deployment complete. Copy the script above and vi into deploy.sh, escape shift-zz to save, and sh deploy.sh to run it. Now let's go ahead and do this video on mobile extern. Now let's go ahead and practice this on mobile extern. Going to open mobile extern, clear our screen, touch, deploy.sh. Now we're going to vi into deploy.sh. First, what we're going to do is we're going to copy these commands. Make directory app. So paste it. Make directory app, echo deployment into app.sh, sudo cho own, sudo cho mode ux, u plus x gives all of us permission to app.sh. The sudo cho own app user ec2-user gives us permission to gives us ownership to app.sh, and cp hello.sh into app directory, and cp app.sh into app.sh. Let's say deployment is complete. Now let's sh deploy sh. Hello.sh is no such file. So now because there's no such file of hello.sh, we have already deployed app.sh. So now let's do the same thing but for hello.sh. Let's first create hello.sh, touch hello.sh, and we deploy this one again. File already exists, there's nothing to do. So deployment has already completed. I guess that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family who may be struggling with this topic. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.